Right?
Stolberg.
Yeah.
Stolberg.
Right to the bitter end. Right,
Right to the bitter end. They're taking over. Bobby Orr. Now, look, let's be fair here, eh? Look, sure, I wear this jacket. And, you know, I like to be fair. I mean, first of all, let's see Marchand going in on the net. Okay, no, okay, yeah, we'll see that. Look, that's not a high stick, as Chris says. Look at this. Craig says, look at this. Nice. That's not a high stick. And he gets called. He knocked him into it. Now, watch yourself. Boychuk goes over, calms him down, just like Seabrook did last year for Taves. Calmed him down. You got to give misconduct.
Great.
Okay, now let's just go the other what we saw today. Let's see, start off right now. Watch this here in the corner here. Look this here. Oh.
This is why you think the penalty occurred.
This is why they call it now. What? He shouldn't have called it. They had that in mind. All right, but let's see the penalties afterwards. Now watch. Watch this here. You're telling me these aren't penalties. Let's be fair. This is the seventh game. I mean, that's not a penalty.
Bit of an embellishment, though.
Oh, embellishment. Shut up. And then
well, it is.
Look at this here. Look at the semi-slew foot down here. That's not a penalty. Like, I'm the guy not calling for a penalty. And look at this here. That there's a good. We just got Sue seeing that. There's another one. There's another one down there. And how about, look at this. Look at that. You mean to tell me a guy shouldn't have got an unsportsmanlike call? Look, guy looking down on him. Let's be fair. All right?
Yeah, they're being outfoxed right now.
Yeah,
Bruins, no doubt about it. And the other thing, Don, that's been amazing, Montreal's defense, they're handling the hits, and they're making plays.
I tell you one thing, the Bruins are lucky to get out of it. Ross doesn't look, we had some stuff to show. He doesn't look like you.
We will in a minute. But you know, one of the reasons Montreal defense, you think, might be doing so well is a bad dump. They're
Oh, you're going to show that one?
Yeah.
Now watch this here. They put it in. Look at the guy's turning already. You can't put it in there when the guy's turning. Larry Robinson used to do that with us all the time. He was so sharp. When you turn like that, you see him turn, hold on to it, and you got him. You can't be, when he's turning like the corner, you can't shove it in.
And before you get to that, Tuukka Rask, jittery for sure. And here
he is. The goal
plays.
should have, watch this here. I don't know, you talk about a bad goal. Watch it go right across the front here. Watch. He should never have let that go across there. I'll tell you, the Bruins better get their act together. They are dopey out there. Chara's not playing one. Sure, that should have been a penalty, but Bork, he added to it a little bit and stuff like that. I mean, look at this. He gives the puck away like, what are you doing?
And here even.
I mean, look at him bumping like this.
And lastly from this game, your guy Johnny Boychuk again comes in to try and settle him down too.
Yeah, so. Boychuk is there. Edmonton boy there. You tell he's just like Taves. Anyhow, all right, now I got to get to this here. This Friday, this is very important. The Memorial Cup, MasterCard Memorial Cup is coming. This here is going to be auctioned. All the players are going to wear it, and it's going to be auctioned. I should get mine up auction too. Anyhow, this Friday, all the money goes to the Vets family. Let's get it up there. Let's bid it up with. It helps everybody. Isn't that something like that? That's beautiful. Isn't that a beautiful sweater?
Totally. Really? And London's hosting, and the three teams that have qualified to go into London, you wanted to acknowledge the game-winning goals, so let's have a look at those.
Go ahead. I got the pen here. Anthony Mantha from Val-d'Or, lovely goal. Kirby Reichel gets one here, a little stumble there and everything. But here's Kirby getting his goal, son of Warren. And Reed Petrie from the Edmonton Oil Kings gets a beauty like this. Let's get out and support that junior hockey, boy. It's great hockey.
Patrick looked great there, or what?
Yeah, did he ever?
Okay, now, Devontae Smith-Pelly, you've been singing his praises, and he's at it for Bruce Boudreau's big game tonight. 100 degrees, by the way, in L.A. tonight.
Listen, he played for Marlies. He is really something. Do you know, as he does that, as we watch, 31 of the 40 played in the American Hockey League.
Tonight?
Even Chara, tonight, yeah, the 40. And all these guys, now who is this first?
Well, we'll get you
That's
Nathan
Smith-Pelly. Okay, now we have here Nathan Beaulieu. Look at this here, Montreal. He did great. Nice pass to Pacioretty. He blocked shots. Played for the Hamilton Bulldogs, 67 games. He blocked the shot here. Beauty from Strathroy, Ontario. And now we have Matt Fraser, as everybody knows, a nice block shot. We do it again, we show it again. Matt Fraser, as everybody knows, Red Deer, Alberta. I'll mention it for you. Got the OT winner, played 62 games for the Stars. And let's talk about John Gibson.
Texas.
Shout out.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it down here. And he played for Norfolk Admirals. This guy is something, I'll tell you, boy. And they should thank you. Boy, he is something. Tanner Glass coming up.
Pearson. You wrote glass. You love glass, but we'll get to glass in a minute. You'll see.
I love glass. Anyhow, these guys all played in the American Hockey League. You have to have guys like this here playing this is it. Get out and watch it. Marlies are playing this. They're playing now, but on Friday the Ice Caps. Julia from Mini, 4 goals, 7 points. He's +2, 32 games with Iowa Wild. I mean, this is great hockey, folks, and I'll tell you right now, don't forget the Ice Caps this Friday. I'm pushing junior hockey, and I'm pushing the American Hockey League. Spent 18 years in the American Hockey League, okay?
Won 5 Calder Cups. It's truly incredible. And you got your bell rung many times, but not like poor Max Pacioretty. And this, you were the one that called Jeff and said, change the glass. And this,
This is what I've been trying to get the glass changed now for 20 years. And watch this here.
90
this
degrees.
was a beauty. I mean, I didn't think Chara meant to do it. That was when Chara was mean. But watch Lucic. Jeff has put the glass in like he's loosening it up. He put the little wrinkle there. Lucic would have had his bell rung right there. Way to go, Jeff. And he did a great job, and I don't understand Stallberg.
Oh, in the commercial, no. Well, we'll have a glass of Bud nonetheless, and we're definitely in our cups on the Coach's Corner on Hockey Night in Canada on CBC.
Coach's Corner on CBC. Brought to you by Budweiser Red Lights, making playoff goals brighter.